Hi guys, Aidan here, Flamboyant Details. Got the F82 M4 Marina blue in today. I'm going to be fitting Bimecc spacers to this 15mm rear, 12mm front. First part of the process, very important, the clean up. These hubs need to be super clean, no grot, no contaminants, nice smooth surface for the spacers to be fitted to, very important. The calipers will also be getting cleaned up and ceramic coated while the wheels are off. And then the standard M4 wheels will also be getting cleaned up and coated before they go back on the vehicle. But yeah, this first stage, very important, getting this nice and smooth and clean before applying the spacers. Okay, that's the 12mm spacers fitted to the front of the vehicle. A nice thin coating of copper coat grease behind these is very good practice, and just on the inner of the hub as well where the spacer sits on, and also that's the caliper cleaned up ready for its KKDR evolved ceramic coating. So that's the front 12mm spacer fitted to the M4, ceramic coating on the caliper and the wheel. Now looking fantastic, nice and protected, and the black spacer just sitting there with the black extended wheel bolts, and obviously a locking one as well. So happy days, that's the front. Just got to do the 15mm on the rears now, and I'll get you a video of the vehicle once they're all fitted, just to show you the increase in stance there.